Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to replace Honda Civic's keyless batteries remote. So this is 2018's keyless battery. I'm going to show you how do you replace the battery. So for this all you need is the battery. So you're using 2032 lithium. This is a 3 volts battery. You need scissors and the keyless battery. So let's do this. So to change the battery, first of all you have to open the compartment. So here you will see an edge. So push this to the left and then pull it from the top and you'll see the key. So that's the first step. The second thing is I think you have to force this. So hold this on both sides and then try to pull it. Okay. Sometimes it's kind of hard. You just have to, if you find it too hard, just use the key and try to push it onward. Should be fine. So let's try this. Okay, I heard a noise. I can see it's opening. Okay, there you go. All right. So here you can see the battery, and I have the same battery. So CR2032. Okay. Okay, so now let's remove the battery. So I'm going to use my scissors to push the battery. You should hold this here because otherwise the keypad will be moved. So be careful. Should be. Okay, push it from here. Okay, should be. Okay, oops. Alright, so here you can see the slot. Now let's use the scissors to get my battery. Okay. All right, this is the new battery. Okay, there you go. Let's just check. Yep, we can see the red signal. So that's it. That's how you can replace the battery. So let's just, okay, just push it on every side. Should be good. Alright, that's how you change the battery. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you later.